So the multimeter is set to 550 volts AC, and if I connect it to the 220 volts, then it measures 248. Okay, and this small inverter, if I insert it here, it's not measuring almost anything, and if I reverse it, then it measures 500 volts instead of a 220. Let's reverse it once more. Almost nothing. And 500 volts. That's interesting. And we're getting the power from this AC adapter, which is set to 12 volts, and it's connected onto the inverter, which theoretically outputs 500 volts. But that's not too correct, I think, because here's a battery charger and it can be connected and charged, and it's charging off of that theoretic 500 volts. So it's not outputting 500 volts but around 220, I think, because the charger is working and it's not burning and it's not smoking. And by using another multimeter set to 700 volts AC, alternative current, with this one we're not measuring anything. 0 volts. Let's reverse it. 0 volts, 0 volts AC. The other one measured 500 volts in one direction and 0 volts in the other direction. Okay, so that's a strange little output from this little inverter. Okay, so this is the SJ4000 camera, and it's plugged in into this small inverter, which outputs 500 milliamps at 6 volts, that is 3 watts. Okay, and if I get the cable out, the cable of the camera, so it was not charging, the red LED is not on, but if I plug it in into its own charger, then the camera is charging. Red LED is off, it's not charging. Red LED is on, it's charging. If I plug it here, the camera is not charging. Red LED is not on. So this little inverter is not charging the SJ4000. Let's hold the power button. Goodbye. Let's get it out. Plug it in again. And the camera is not charging. Get it out. Plug it in again. Not charging. Get it out from here and put it into its own charger. And it is charging. Okay, so this one with its 3 watts of power, it's not good enough for the SJ4000. It's not good for the SJ4000, but it's good for the Canon. This one, SX220. This is the charger of the Canon, and it's working, and with this one it's not working. That one cannot be charged from this inverter. Okay, so this one can be charged from here. The red LED is on, so it's charging. But let's see if it can be charged from here. And the red LED is on, so it is charging. Let's turn the camera off. Goodbye. The red LED is on. Let's put it back. Oops, it's not charging. Now it's charging. So the USB cannot be used to charge. The red LED is not on. But if I put it here, Now it's not on again. Now it's on. Interesting. Okay, let's try another one. This is an old Nokia, and that's the charger, and the screen turned on, but the lines are not moving. The battery is not charged. Oops, it even fell down. And that is on, but the phone is not charged. Let's pull it out. The screen turned on again. So there is some voltage coming out from this through the adapter. It has 4 lines at the battery. Screen turned on again. 4 lines and it's not charging. Okay, so that's a weak one. It does not have enough power